Welcome to Wealth and Wonders. Today, we're diving into the heart of luxury, the top 5 most extravagant apartments in Dubai that offer views so unreal you'll think they're from a movie. From sky-high infinity pools to private elevators, Dubai truly redefines elite living. Let's take a look. 1. Zabeel The Residences, starting at $2 million. Coming in at number 5 in 1. Za'abeel The Residences. Nestled between the World Trade Center and Zabeel Park, this architectural masterpiece boasts skybridge suites, panoramic city views, and automated smart home systems. Plus, it features the world's longest inhabited skybridge, the Link, pure luxury in the sky. The Royal Atlantis Residences, starting at $3.5 million. At number 4, we have the Royal Atlantis Residences. Located on the iconic Palm Jumeirah, these apartments offer a 360-degree view of the ocean and skyline. Think private beaches, 90-meter-high infinity pools, and interiors designed by world-renowned architects. Living here feels like permanent vacation. Primo Downtown, starting at $6 million. Number 3 is Il Primo, the crown jewel of downtown Dubai. These residences are right next to the Burj Khalifa, with views that literally take your breath away. With 6,000+ square feet of space, private theaters, and marble-clad bathrooms, Il Primo is built for the ultra-elite, your neighbors, likely millionaires and celebrities. Mr. C Residences Jumeirah, starting at $4 million. At number 2 is Mr. C Residences, where Venetian charm meets Arabian opulence. These waterfront apartments offer views of the Dubai Canal and Skyline, with yacht docks, personalized concierge services, and even private butlers. Designed by the Cipriani family, this is luxury living, reimagined. 1. Burj Khalifa Armani Residences, starting at $8+ million. And at number 1, it had to be the Burj Khalifa Armani Residences. Located inside the tallest building on Earth, these apartments offer unmatched views from the 160th floor, Armani-designed interiors, and access to a world-class spa, restaurants, and sky lounges. This isn't just an apartment, it's a statement of power and prestige. Which one would you live in if money wasn't a problem? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more luxury lifestyle and wealth insights, only on Wealth and Wonders. Until next time.